Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make money online doing nothing. Yes, practically nothing. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. By the way, I have a free gift at the end of today's video, so make sure that you stick around all the way till the end. I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to be giving out giveaway, yes, in today's video. So I'm going to share with you exactly how you can enter in for my giveaway. So yes, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you're me to where in the world are you watching from, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. And to my Patreon members, I want to say big thank you. Guys rock. Thank you for all that you do for your girl. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. You know, I've always got you guys covered. So guys, let me introduce myself while you introduce yourself as my first time. I think I'll forget. Introduce yourself in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? What is your name? Where are you watching from? So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money. So Eji, Emasu, yes, so go ahead. Watch this video. Watch my previous videos and start to make money. Like I always say, guys, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So guys, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Guys, I already told you you can make money without even doing anything. Do you know that you can play games and earn money? Just playing games, playing and get paid for playing. Besties, with the emergence of platforms that allows you to earn real money instantly, there are platforms like skills.com, yes, swagbucks.com and inboxdollars.com and mistplay.com and luckstactic.com and long game. Yes, so the gaming landscape has become a lucrative opportunity. They use Cash App. You can use Cash App as your preferred payments method, and you can receive your earnings quickly and conveniently. And here are some successful strategies to make money online. As you will agree with me, the world is becoming virtual and increasing the numbers of ways that you can make money online. An online work from home situation offers a lot of perks, which includes flexibility, a comfortable environment, and no stressful commutes. So whether you're stuck in an office and you're ready to make a change, or you're looking for a convenient way to make money on the side, check out the list of options on how to make money online. Guys, the average payout is super little, yes, and the payment methods is PayPal or gift card, e-gift cards or bank transfers. They can also use Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, and yes, they have very minimum cash out methods. Yes, and here is how to make money online by playing games. Yes, you can play online games. If you are used to getting yelled at for playing computer games instead of doing your homework, guess what? Your time has actually come. Now you can earn money for playing games online. Game creators that are eager to build traffic and test concepts will pay you to play. And there are websites like Swagbucks. Yes, Swagbucks is a way to actually cash in. As the name says, you'll be paid in bucks through PayPal transfer, through check, or even gift cards if you prefer. Now, payments can add up over time. Yes. Now, another way to make money is by completing surveys online. If you're looking to get, paid online surveys is a way to go. They're on websites like inboxdollars.com. Yes. I'm going to be spilling the tea for you guys on my video. On this channel, I always spill all the tea. So guys, on inboxdollars.com, you can fill in surveys and it will let you make some extra cash to spend on daily expenses like gas, like groceries, or even gift cards, yes, for different stores and restaurants. You can also spend it on Amazon websites, on Starbucks, and in Target. And according to their websites, each Inbox Dollar survey takes between 3 minutes and 25 minutes to complete, and they pay you, yes, immediately. Occasionally, you can even find a survey that is worth about $20, yes, for one survey, and these things add up pretty quickly. Guys, do you know that you can also test the next viral app? It may seem like the world's most popular apps, just popped into experience, yes, but in reality, there is a whole team behind the scene designing it, coding it, and marketing them. These teams need to get their website, their apps tested, yes, to be sure that they've done the best possible job. Just so you know, there's an app that can offer you the opportunities called FreeCash, freecash.com. FreeCash offers you the opportunity to become a tester and be paid for it. And in fact, handsomely, there are so many of them that can offer you up to $100, yes, to test an app or even play games. Yes, so another app is free cash coins. Yes, and it can be paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa rewards, Amazon gift cards, among other options. And you can also earn them by taking surveys or using free cash portal to make purchases or sign up for new services. Guys, you can also get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. And you can also start a side hustle, yes, with this. I'm telling you, because having a side hustle or side gig in addition to a full-time job is pretty normal these days, because many people make a decent amount of money using a side hustle. Yeah. Apps like DoorDash and Uber. If you don't want to go door to door or delivering food, or you don't have a car or car insurance needed to become an Uber driver, you can look for other opportunities. There are apps like TaskRabbit.com, there's Handy.com, where you can get hired for random odd jobs in your neighborhood. And if you want a side hustle that gets you outside and moving, you can check out the Rover app to find dog walking clients. Yes, you can also sell websites. I hope you know that you can buy and sell websites. Yes, if you have a website, an online business with a decent following, and perhaps a domain name registered in your own name, there is money to be made from flipping websites. You just need to know where to look, because one of the biggest hurdle is figuring out how much a website is worth and finding interested buyers. Websites are said to be worth 2 to 3 times the annual profit that they generate, although yeah, it's not actually set in stone and it can vary considerably. For a better idea, you can consider getting a professional valuation of the website. Once you have settled on an asking price, look for an online marketplace that specializes in these types of transactions. It's important to find somewhere safe that can attract as many potential bidders as much as possible. Another website where you can, also sell your website is Flipper.com. They offer a free website valuation tool, which is considered one of the best. Guys, check out all of these strategies I've shared with you guys, and also check out my previous videos. I want you guys to go from where you are right now to a place of abundance. Yes, regardless of whatever stage you are in life, making money is not as hard as it looks on the outside. And I always say this, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look, because once you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And like I said, I've been broke before. People always say it's a lie. Okay, I've been broke before, and that's the truth. I've been broke before, and I don't ever want to be there again. Never again in my life. And I'm sharing all the strategies, tips, and apps and websites that helped me, to build my financial success. So guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. And now we have come to the segment where you can enter for my giveaway today. Guys, we have finally launched our Telegram channel. All you need to do is head over to the link in my description, as well as the link in my comments. Yes, and do well to share the Telegram link with your friends and your community members, your church members, your mosque members, your Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. Just share the link. Now, when you're done sharing and you've added people into my Telegram community, come back to today's video. Come back to this video and let me know how many people you have successfully added into my Telegram community. Yes, please do not tell me the number of people that you share the link with. Tell me the number of people that you have added into the Telegram community, because sharing is different from adding people into the group. When you share and they don't join, it's a no. I'm sorry. You have to share between 20 people and 50 people. If you share with more than 50 people, the better for you. Yes, I'm going to be selecting random winners in the comments, so you can share with 100 people, with 50 people, with 1,000 people, 500 people, depending. And I'm going to ask for your details. Yes, I will verify the number. Do not lie. And the comments, do not come here and tell me I added 1,000 people whereas you just added 20 people. Please don't lie. I'm going to be selecting random people in the group. If I find out that you inflated the figure, you will be automatically disqualified from today's contest. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that can start to make money from the comfort of your home. If you have not liked this video, go ahead and like this video and do well to share with your friends. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, God is watching you. Oh yeah, go and introduce yourself. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you're me too. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And of course, if no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and good to express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, and bye for now. Love you all.